Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Shahid Iqbal with Red Film Festival, promoted and supported by American Urdu.tv. This particular interview is interesting for me because this couple, daringly enough, left Houston and their families and went to LA for acting opportunities, right? So, Khurram Hamid, वरना मैं तो आप लोगों को बचपन से जानता हूँ, ठीक है ना? तो आज हम बात करेंगे कि आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम आई थी कि आप ह्यूस्टन छोड़ के 3 महीने के लिए LA गए, और अगर वहाँ गए थे तो क्या हुआ? सही है ना? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद वरना। थोड़ा सा
I really wanted to go and support him because he took a really big step and he wanted to do the right thing.
I know it was very gutsy. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
he took that huge step and he wanted to take a more step to his start, but he did that. So I was like, okay, so I want to support you and then I'll come with you. So when I got there, I was like, okay, now I want to do something too.
I know all of us are मेरे फील्ड पे तुम आने लगे, मैं गया तो वो था, ये कहाँ से आ गई?
So I started looking and then I wanted to modeling because I really like modeling. So I started looking here and there and then we went to a party here and then I made a connection over there. So my mom started and I met someone and then she was like, "You're pretty. Do you want to model?" I
It's
said,
LA.
"I would love to."
Yeah, it's
I got a project with her and it's like a really big project with her for New York as a New York center. So after that, like I started doing that was like my first thing. I did like a couple of shoots with them and I started really good. But then when I say I started looking, I was like, now I want more. I want to do more. And it was fun. It was like I did another project with another jewelry company, and it was a bonding project with another like coach work with them and
जबरदस्त। तो एक्टिंग स्कूल, मॉडलिंग, ठीक है ना, प्रायोरिटाइजेशन, घर वालों को क्या बताया था? मतलब कैसे समझाया?
घर वालों को बताया ही नहीं।
बताया नहीं, ये हुई ना बात, ये हुई।
बताते तो जानते नहीं ना।
बताते तो फिर जाते कैसे? No, no, that's wonderful. तो फिर let's come to you, Farham. तो तुमने जो acting institute वहाँ पे join किया, very prestigious, काफी rigorous काम वहाँ पे होता है. तो how did you balance it with your work and acting?
So I work in corporate finance.
Right.
I was working still in Houston time. So like
I know 2 घंटे आगे.
LA is 2 hours behind.
Right.
So I used to lower down. So हुआ ये कि I would wake up around 6 a.m. So when the job करता था अपनी classes would be my afternoon or evening classes. So मैं job करता था, दोपहर में I would go to my classes, and I'm still hybrid. I had to go to the office. But luckily हुआ ये कि there was an office in LA for my company, and I was able to do that. And that's what I did. So I would be working all day. So my job करता था,
So job करना
I would come back later like 10 साढ़े 10 बजे रात में खाना खाना and खाना पीना सब कुछ would be on my campus.
Wonderful. तो अब ये बताओ कि how do you see yourself? Like, tell us about your growth journey, right? So you started acting in Houston, probably from high school, middle school, and college, and then throughout. So what is it that this training gave you, which you think was not available before?
I think Houston has a good foundation when you're starting out as an actor, especially the theater scene over here. I have been acting for a little over 8 years. I started off with a feature film and theater, and it was your feature film that I started off with. After this many years, you kind of think that you hit the ceiling, and in order to break through that, you must go to bigger markets.
Yeah, just like the bank breakthrough we had.
Yeah. So you have to go to bigger markets, especially as an actor. So if you're doing filmmaking, if you're a writer or director, I think that's still, you can do that really anywhere, but when you're an actor, you have to be at a bigger market.
Right.
And you can eventually come back if you build relationships with agents and you're in these bigger markets, and you can come back and they can call you in a cabin audition for you and you can fly. But until you have that, you kind of need to be in that market. And in terms of training, I know there's a few training schools in Texas. Houston specifically does not don't have those training schools. There are individuals who train, but institutions are not there. And I wanted to be somewhere where it could be an institute, where I could learn in a conservatory. And which is why, I mean, Strasbourg was one of my options. There were others as well.
there's plenty of
But I wanted to learn techniques. So acting karna, so I learned just by being on. I had never trained before.
Right.
But I learned by doing it, like how to be in front of a camera or how to do a theater just by doing it. But I wanted to learn techniques. And for those techniques, I wanted to specialize institutes, which are either in LA or New York. So initially, I was actually selected for New York campus, but I wanted to be in the Philly area, so I switched myself from New York to LA and decided to go to LA, which is a good thing that I did. LA is beautiful. It's beautiful.
And the weather.
Weather is wonderful.
Especially if you go from Houston.
And there's a lot more opportunities than like in comparison of New York and places. So I went like that and of course I did. I think New York is also the system, but
Right.
specifically for this field, like LA is one of the
Right.
so what would be better?
It's not that it's not expanding now in Hollywood, it's like going out of LA, it's expanding, but the thing is that even if the productions are made in other states, I know like Mo wasn't here, but the decision, the executive decisions are still made in
Still
LA.
made in it.
The
Yeah.
higher like your top cast, it'll be in LA.
तो ये बताओ कि अब नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या हैं तुम्हारे और तुम्हारे, चलो तो पहले तुमसे शुरू करें तो वापस आ गई है मिस्टर, तो तुम्हारी खुरम की फैमिली में माशाल्लाह बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंशियल लोग हैं, वो सब अपनी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी जो है उसका एक मार्क स्टैब्लिश करना चाह रहे हैं। क्या कोई इंटरनल जेलसी राइवलरी है या सेट जा रहे हैं?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
चलो बाद में बता देना, कोई बात नहीं, बाद में बता देना। अच्छा, तो ये बताओ कि अब तुम्हारे नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या हैं, किस पे काम कर रही हो?
So फिलहाल कुछ नहीं, but this one what is like my working career is very like for beginning right. I don't have a fully developed portfolio, so I'm trying to create my portfolio and then from there.
तो big agent का चक्कर एकदम ठीक है।
Yeah, Chata.
Right. Zabardast or not?
We just got back around 2 weeks ago, so we've been picking up Eid, but you know why we Eid, so we came after Eid, so we've been busy with families or meeting people again. And then we got sick after getting back to Houston. So we've just been
Okay, बस करो। मेरे फोन से बाहर लग के ना हो गए, वो ठीक है।
But my future plans are I'm gonna be training more. Like martial arts training, gun training. Like, as an actor, you need to have these skills. And then I eventually want to go back to Strasbourg and continue my training over there. But until I'm going, I'm going to be looking for these projects. Currently, I'm not working in because I just got back, so I'm going to be looking for projects.
कोई horizon पे project
There is one that director reached out किया था, but that's not going to be in November, October, November. But because मैं था नहीं यहाँ पे, so people didn't know. They actually thought that I moved. So they didn't know, but now I'm back. They're reaching out to me that they have these projects coming up. Nothing concrete right now, but I'm staying till here, so maybe something becomes fun. But because I have travel plans and stuff in the summer, so I'm not committing to anything right now for the summer. But after that, I will.
Oh, wonderful. I think मुझे तो नहीं याद आ रहा, लेकिन अगर कोई अवार्ड होना चाहिए कि ये बीवी दोनों जो है छुट्टी लेके चले गए, एक मॉडलिंग कर रही है,
छुट्टी नहीं दी हमने, यही तो बात है। I डबल काम कर रहे हैं।
डबल काम कर रहे हैं।
But I have
कोई अगर अवार्ड होता है इसका तो जरूर तुम दोनों को मिल जाता है ना?
I produced a short film back in November.
लेकिन कौन सा टूर्नामेंट से बात कर रहे हैं, क्या 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 कर लिया उसने?
For a short film, जो है अभी still in the editing phase.
Oh, the Eid one.
The Eid one, yeah. We were gonna submit it for run, but because we missed the deadline.
Right.
So, मगर अच्छी बात ये है that we missed the deadline, we don't have pressure, so we can work on it अपना time लेके.
हाँ.
Before we were like,
आराम से करो, मैं और मजाहिर भी एक साल से एक प्रोजेक्ट खत्म करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
so yeah, so these, I wanted to get into production just because क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there are stories to tell which we have like Pakistani stories or Muslim stories, South Asian stories which are not in mainstream media. Unfortunately, that we have misconception about our culture, and if we don't tell our stories, then who will? And for that reason, I think we have to get
हमारे अपनी misconceptions है internally, right?
हमारी तो है लेकिन हमारी
जो बाहर से जो लोग देखते हैं, तो बता तू बताओ, तो आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर तुम्हारी फेस्टिवल में नहीं आई हुई, पहली बार आई हो, तो फोरम से अलग हो सोच बताना, इंडिपेंडेंटली बताना कि कैसी लगी फेस्टिवल, क्या अच्छी चीज थी, क्या बुरी चीज थी, क्या हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये देख के there is something for creative, there is something for South Asian, something economic, there are different initiatives like systems because there is not a lot of things. So we have something to sit down and brag about.
There you go, man, that's a good one, huh? Bragging rights. Yeah.
But other than that, so like seeing so many different faces, so many people meeting, connecting with them, talking to them.
It was such a celebration,
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
also be very filming.
I met so many people that I would have never met agar Ram nahi hota. So because of Ram festival being here, and I have access to it, I can come here because it's a region. So I met so many people. I learned so much from them. So many celebrities. They are so at the top of their career. Some of them, and I got to talk to them to learn from them, and so much stories that they told me. I told them. So it was great night for me.
Thank you, brother. That was beautiful. और तुम कुछ कहना चाहोगे रखने वाले?
Yeah, it's a very good initiative to bring all these all Pakistani creatives together. Because I remember you saying the work was being done, but we didn't know where.
Yeah.
But now that we're together, and I think that this is something that we need in our community, that we need to come together because we're still a minority here.
Right.
So if we don't come together, then who will us? That's how we will be able to tell our stories if we come together, not compete with each other, but uplift each other.
Support each other.
And that's what we need, really. That's what we need.
Because I think हर किसी की अपनी जर्नी है।
Absolutely.
आप किसी की फिल्म में एक्स्ट्रा हैं, मैं किसी की फिल्म में डायरेक्टर हूँ, कोई किसी की फिल्म का प्रोड्यूसर है तो सब एक ही है, right? So
It's very big. I feel like uplifting each other and supporting each other really helps, which you don't get all the time. So it's very big.
it's a lot of competition also.
I understand the competition. If it's in Pakistan, it's okay because it's only one community, right? यहाँ पे you have so many communities and
Yeah.
and which is why we need to come together to compete with them, but not with each other.
I think I could not have said it any better. So thank you very much, Varda, Gaurav, और I think ये सफर जारी और सारी रहेगा, पीछे लंच आ गया है, ठीक है ना? तो
But दूसरे की level में.
thank you
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me. शायद एक बात मैं कहना.
जी.
I've been on your podcast पहले भी एक दो बार, and you do a lot of podcasts for everybody. You're interviewing a lot of people, but there's a story that you have, and nobody has interviewed you before. So next time, I would like to interview you, so that we can know your stories.
Are you ready for that?
I'm just there. That won't be a 20-minute interview. That would be an hour.
15 days.
That'll be a series. But we need that. Because you have put so much work behind this, behind Indus, and bringing the community together. But nobody knows your story.
Wait.
Yes, we need to know the back end story.
You know, so
From
that woman back there who just sits, relaxed, chills, and just talking with her friends like as if nothing. she needs to be in that series also.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So just like
For sure.
What Sara and Sabir do is what makes, Mazahir, me, Yusuf, हम सबको,
that would be a series. We can do that.
yeah.
Your production, I'll be on your scene.
हम तो ढूंढ रहे हैं, सब हम करेंगे, ढूंढेंगे. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.